What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this very rare 2023 Acura TLX Type S PMC edition. This vehicle is a 3-liter turbo V6 with 355 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque like any other TLX Type S. However, the PMC edition was a special edition of this car, made in the Performance Manufacturing Center where the Acura NSX was built. This is a hand-built vehicle. This is number 94 of 100 on the Curva Red model. So they were made in Curva Red, Long Beach Blue Pearl, and 130R White, and also Gotham Gray Matte. There's 350 total made, 100 for the other for 3 of the colors, and Gotham Gray Matte there were 50 made. And then, yes, so very rare car. Not there's only 100 of these Curva Red TLX Type S PMCs in the world, which is pretty cool. The PMC edition comes with the carbon fiber interior trim, looks fantastic. You have other than that, the interior is pretty much the same, and you also have this little PMC badge over there. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Yellow Studio 3D sound system. You have a reverse camera right there, no 360 view. Paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Of course, with the TLX Type S, you have Comfort, Normal, Sport, Sport Plus. And I have test drive videos on all the TLX Type S model years. And now with the PMC, this will be, I have videos on every single TLX Type S, which is pretty cool. And you have Type S embossed into the headrest too. This is the ebony interior. All of them came with the ebony interior, I believe. Yes. Or I might be wrong. I think maybe Long Beach Blue came with Orchid, and then the white came with red interior. Yeah, so Curva Red is a fantastic color. I've always loved the way it looks on the NSX, and on this PMC it looks great too. The PMC editions came with the, what do you call it, gold white spoke wheels, red Brembo brakes, and you have black door handles, black roof, black Type S badges. This thing looks stunning. Looks so cool. Dual LED headlights. Look how awesome this car looks. This is amazing. It just looks so cool. Like, this red is so bright. It's really hard to explain how it looks in person. And the PMC editions also came with the black exhaust tips. Like, it's really, like, you'll know you're looking at a PMC edition. Like, Curva Red is such an awesome color. If I got an NSX, I'd probably get it in Curva Red. I just love the color. And you have a wet carbon fiber spoiler. Look at that. What a beautiful car this thing is. This thing with like a paint correction and ceramic coating, it would be even brighter. It just looks so good. It's such a nice color. And the PMCs also came with this Type S black door sill. I believe this one lights up in the dark too. Let's get out on the road and see how it drives. We're gonna be driving in Sport Plus because that's the most fun mode, of course. So the TLX Type S, I've always really liked this car. I think it's a great sporty daily driving sedan. And this specific one, if you want an exclusive car, if you want to get a car that you're probably never going to see another one of on the road, it'll be this. If you want a TLX Type S. Like, I've never seen a PMC on the road before. Here at Grubbs Acura, we had a Long Beach Blue one that sold we had as our unit new, and then we had this one's a certified pre-owned model. But yeah, the TLX Type S is just a great car. It's really quick, the transmission's great, and the way it handles is awesome. And it's a really good looking sedan. And in the pre-owned market, I think it's a great value. Like a TLX Type S in the $40,000 to $50,000 range, certified pre-owned, great value. And it sounds so good too. seats are very comfortable too. And in Sport Plus, the car is, you know, raring to go. As you can see, the car continuously downshifts to keep you in the power band if you want to accelerate quickly in the Sport Plus mode. In the normal and Sport mode, it won't really do that. But it's a great car. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Type S. I own the TL Type S. That was my first car. I love that car. And I think all the Type S models are great. MDX Type S, TLX Type S, Integra Type S, and of course the NSX Type S. I'm really sad to see the TLX go because I think it's an awesome sedan. But yeah, as I was saying, the TLX Type S is a great car. And I'm just really sad to see the TLX go in general because it's just awesome. Very nice car. And it looks really good too. And 2025 is the last model year of the TLX. So if you want to get a new TLX or TLX Type S, now is the last chance. Because once the ones on dealer lots are gone, it's gone. And now we're back in the regular sport mode, so it's not, you know, the car isn't as aggressively downshifting and doing all that. It's just more chill. You can also put it in normal mode too. I think the sport mode's a pretty chill drive as well. Yeah, this car will definitely be getting a lot of attention, you know, because especially in the sun, it just looks so bright. Curva red looks so awesome. And overall, very nice TLX Type S PMC edition right here. If you're interested in getting this TLX Type S PMC edition, be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below. And thanks again for watching another video of Droop Drives. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.